Hello everybody. Today I will be making a chicken casserole. It'll be a yummy, yummy carnivore meal. Okay, so I have here some frozen chicken breasts. Yeah, it's frozen. It doesn't matter since I'm going to be boiling. I will be boiling this with water, salt, cumin, and other spices, or whichever spices that you desire. Plus, I will be adding a thigh and a leg. And I will also be making some bacon in the oven. I don't like it that crispy, so I'll just kind of make it half and halfway. So I will be back once the chicken is fully cooked and the bacon ready. When the chicken is ready, I will shred it and I will fast forward the video so it's not too long. Alright, so here I shredded just a bit of cheese and I have it in the bottom so the chicken has something to stick on. So just a very light layer I'm adding, and next I'm going to put the shredded chicken on top. Alright, so now we try to spread all the chicken in every corner and don't leave any spaces. Okay, so that looks good. Now I'm going to add more cheese. So I'm going to shred more cheese on top of this. Okay, that should be enough cheese for me. If you wish, you can add as much cheese as you want, but for me, I'm kind of the type of person that gets stalled if I eat way too much cheese, so light for me is okay for me. That's enough for me. Even though I'm sharing with 3 people, but I still have to be careful. So I cut up was 2 hot dogs, and so far I see I need more, so that will be 3 hot dogs. I'm just making 1 layer of hot dogs and that's about it. And you do it the way you want to do it. You're your own boss in your own kitchen. You decide how you want to do it. Extra cheese, or light cheese, or extra of everything. And so far now here is the bacon. It's ready now to cut them and make another layer of bacon. So the bacon, what I did is I rolled up into little rolls, as you see, and now what I'm going to do is just cut them in small pieces and spread it all over and try to get every corner. I don't want to leave spaces. I love bacon. I don't know about you, but I do love bacon. Okay, finally I'm done. Whatever's left over goes in my tummy. Now to add more shredded cheese. Alright, so I believe I have enough cheese here. So now to spread it evenly, nice in every corner. And now this is ready to go in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes because everything's already cooked. So all we need is the cheese to melt. So depending, 15 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So I'll be back with the results. And here is the results. It looks so yummy. It took 15 minutes. So depend on the strength of your oven. And here I have lard from the bacon, which I will be using for other recipes. I'm letting you know that this is a high in calories, so it doesn't mean let's eat it every day. It's in moderation, of course. In moderation. And that's how easy and simple it was to make this recipe. I hope you try it out and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. And that's how easy it was to make. So simple, so easy. So if you have rotisserie or leftovers, you know what to do now. That's how easy it is. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.